Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which software is installed on which date in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two ways how you can do it. So for the first method, just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for Control Panel, and the first list will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on this uninstalled program. Now you will see here all the installed apps and when it is being installed, so you can see the respective date of all the installed apps, on which date it is being installed, so you can clearly see. So this is the first method how you can find out which software is installed on which date. And the second method is just open the settings and just click on this apps option and just click on this install apps. Now you can see here all the installed apps and you can see the respective date on which date it is being installed, so you can see clearly. So by using these two methods, you can easily find out which software is installed on which date in Windows computer very easily. So if you've never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.